I'm Heather Lerner, Director of the Joseph Moore Museum and Associate Professor of Biology and Museum Studies. The museum is at Earlham College in Indiana, and we provide STEM education for the public through free gallery visits, field trips, and special events. As part of the Passage Off project, we collaborated with 5 other organizations to expand public education access to the eclipse. We developed 9 activity stations related to the eclipse, and we bought supplies for 2,000 people to do each of the stations. And then we led 2 trainings for volunteers and educators, providing supplies and activities for all the collaborating organizations. We also led the activities ourselves at field trips before the eclipse and on the day of the eclipse, and probably reached around 7,000 people.
And I'm Seth Hopper. I'm an associate professor of physics, engineering, and astronomy at Earlham College. Together with the Joseph Moore Museum, I held several events. Most notably, we hosted a viewing session of the eclipse from the campus of Earlham. We had several hundred people who were in-person viewers and over 1,000 who viewed our beautiful event online.